Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the lemon honey. This is my favorite recipe that I hope you will like it. This one you can eat like a dessert or can put like a cold drinks. I really recommend you to try this recipe and you will love it for sure because this recipe will make very good health, make the vitamin C and nice drink and also the good for healthy. First we gonna make the salt water by we use 500 ml of the water and 200 ml of the salt and then make it boil and we cook until it's homogeneous or salt is dissolved. And now the salt are dissolved and then we'll cool down it. And the next we use the lemon. We use the small one, the Thai lemon, and then peeling for the lemon out. We're gonna remove the green color and peel out all and remain for the inside of the lemon. And then we will slice to be the little circle, to be the thin layer. Make sure you remove all the green color because if you not remove it all, this part will make a bitter taste. We make the slice not too thick and not too thin. And then we're gonna put all the lemon into the container and then put the salt mixture or salt dilute into the container and keep it for 1 or 2 nights. And after we keep in the refrigerator for 2 nights, we add 1 cup of the water. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the honey. And then we're going to boil it with the medium heat. When it's boiling, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of the sugar and then continue to boil it for 15 minutes. And now you can see the color of the lemon. And then we will remove for the lemon to our container. And in the final, add the honey on top on the lemon. And now it's ready. You can keep it in refrigerator for a month, and you can eat directly or you can eat with the ice and the soda. It's good combination with the drinking with the soda. And this one is finished for the lemon honey soda. You can try both of drinking and also eating directly. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. And if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.